Fend rear locking screw holder, this easy. Just put the screw in, drop it down. Screw's not going anywhere. And just like that, this drill isn't going anywhere, it's holding it. Do this with your magnet. How's this for confidence, okay? 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 Yeah. Yeah. It's not going anywhere. Just as easy as that. Pop up, pop it off, hold it, and set it in. Not going anywhere. Can't finish.
I'm going to show you how to use the drywall screw gun from DeWalt. I'm going to show you how easy it is to load. What you do is you use these pre-made collated screws. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. So you just stick it in here. Swing it around. And you just stick it in here. Do 3 clicks, and then you're ready to drywall screw. All you do is just line it up to where you want it, press the button, and there you go. That's how easy it is. And you're ready for the next one. You don't have to keep grabbing a screw.
The Veto Spring promo is back for 2022. Launched alongside several new bags, this promo gives you guys the opportunity to get one of the new 2022 tool pouches for free. Buy any tier 1 bag and get the TPLC, a one-sided compact tool pouch featuring loads of pockets, a hanging hook and a closable cover. Buy any tier 2 bag and get the TB4B Blackout, one of the best-selling tool pouches is back in a new murdered out colourway. Find full details on the promo on our website and shop the full range of Veto Pro Pack from Loadout.
Now this is a very, very underrated brand from Lowe's. They have some pretty cool stuff and the quality is not bad. The reason why I'm saying the quality is not bad is because they're very economic. For example, this rolling tool chest or tool bag is built with hard plastic. You can feel it's pretty good quality. It's gonna last a long time. If you ever run any water or any wet areas, your tools are safe. I would use it for power tools and things like that. It also comes with those clips, which you can attach any type of pouch that they carry. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video how they work. But they have all kinds of things. They're pretty cool. I would recommend you guys checking them out. They only sell them at Lowe's. These are the clips that I'm talking about. You can attach them to a belt or like some type of bar. I actually had one of my friends make these bars for the Vans. So you can just hang your pouches on there. Pretty cool. I mean, it's very convenient, and for the price they're really good. They also have knives, knee pads, all kinds of things.
Velocity Rogue 1.5 van bag. Upgrade the interior of your van in seconds with this mobile office. Featuring a 3-tier drinks holder, removable thermos lunch bag, central peripherals compartment and a designated paperwork and laptop storage, this smart bag will level up your working day. The Fidlock system makes this bag easy to stow and remove from the van, so whether you're taking it out to work for the day or bringing it into quote, you're doing it all with ease. Shop this bag and the full range of Velocity Pro gear from Loadout.
Thank you very much.